Hey y'all, so I'm back with another video. It is after work and I'm tired. I don't really feel like cooking or putting anything together to eat. And so I decided to just do something real quick that I had in my refrigerator. So I have the chicken pho quick bowls, microwaveable bowls, the chicken pho microwaveable bowls. And then I also had the chicken pho microwaveable bowls is what I have. Then I also have the Impossible chicken nuggets. No, I'm not vegan, but I do like to have different options or whatever of different things to try. So let's try the pho together. This is what it looks like. You can see a little bit the juices in there. I did add some soy sauce to it. And then these are the packets that it came with. So this is like a flavor magic is what they call it. This is the oil that goes into it, and this is the vegetables that goes into it. It does not smell good. Doesn't smell good. And I think I'm probably just gonna go to bed hungry tonight. Let's give it a try. I need to get me a spoon. Hold on, let me get a spoon so I can try the broth. Okay, I'm back with a spoon. Am I recording? I am. Back with a spoon. Let's try the broth first. It's bland, but I can tell this chicken broth. It's okay. It's bland chicken broth. So let's try the noodles. Ooh. I mean, it's okay. It's just bland. I'm gonna add some salt and pepper, maybe some garlic powder in there, garlic seasoning in there. But I mean, it's okay. There's nothing to write home about without the flavors. I don't know that I would buy this again. But I mean, it's worth a try. It's not bad. I just need to add seasonings to it. What I am scared of is these vegan chicken nuggets, because I'm not vegan. I'm not vegetarian. I don't necessarily like the taste. I got some barbecue sauce back here. Let's try it. It's actually not bad. It's actually not bad. So it's not bad. Either I'm hungry and this is satisfying the hunger, which is not why it's not that bad, or it's really not that bad. It's just plain. Either or, I give it a 7 out of 10. It's getting the job done, but it's nothing that I would recommend to go get. Unless you're vegan and you kind of like, unless you're vegan and or you kind of like not heavily seasoned things. You can season it yourself, which is definitely what I'm going to do. I'm going to add, like I said, some salt, pepper, garlic seasoning, onion powder in this. And I'm going to enjoy my evening. After I eat, I'm going to take a shower and get in my bed because work worked me today. I'm tired. I hope you have a great night. I hope you find something good to eat. Let me know in the comments what you ate tonight, how your day went, and how was work for you. Hope you have an amazing night. Bye, y'all.